watching Halla Bol, our English news bulletin at this moment, and this is Rashmi here with you. Before going to the details, let's have a look at the headlines. Sonia Gandhi slammed Modi government over tensions on the border with China, alleged wrong policies of centre to be a major reason. Indian Jawans had to pay the deadly price of denial. Rahul Gandhi asked Narendra Modi to make clear statements without any fear. Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala asked the Modi government to ensure that no land has been occupied by the Chinese. Anti-drug day observed by Tripura police in Agartala on Friday. Now the news in details. Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi fired up on social media, paid tribute to the martyred soldiers, gheraued Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clear up on the issue of Ladakh. Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi over Galwan clash, said nation wants to know how our 20 soldiers were killed. Amidst her video message, the chief Congress leader asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to come up clean on the issue of Galwan Valley and clear if any Indian territory has been captured by China or not. Sonia Gandhi asked if India's territorial integrity has been violated by China in Ladakh. She also raised questions saying, will the Prime Minister take the nation in confidence on the situation at the border, adding that the central government cannot shirk its responsibility of securing India's borders. Today, when we are paying tribute to our martyrs, then India wants to know why and how our 20 soldiers were killed in Galwan Valley, said Sonia Gandhi, adding that the nation wants to know if India has not captured our land in Ladakh, as claimed by Prime Minister Modi.
रक्षा मंत्री तथा विदेश मंत्रालय बड़ी संख्या में चीनी सैनिकों की मौजूदगी एवं अनेकों बार चीनी घुसपैठ की चर्चा करते हैं। हमारी फौज के जनरल, रक्षा एक्सपर्ट एवं समाचार पत्र सैटेलाइट तस्वीरें दिखाकर भी चीनी घुसपैठ की पुष्टि कर रहे हैं। आज जब हम शहीदों को नमन कर रहे हैं तो देश जानना चाहता है कि अगर चीन ने लद्दाख में हमारी सरजमी पर कब्जा नहीं किया, जैसा प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं, तो फिर हमारे 20 सैनिकों की शहादत क्यों और कैसे हुई?
Sonia Gandhi slammed the central government over the tensions on the border with China. She said, due to the wrong policies of the centre, the current crisis has arisen and the security of the country is under threat. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Prime Minister Narendra Modi should not be afraid of telling the truth, said Rahul Gandhi while taking part in the social media campaign Shahidon Ko Salam Divas on Friday. Asked the government of India to clear up on the issue of Ladakh. Rahul Gandhi in his video message urged the Prime Minister to come up clean on the border draw with China, saying he should not be afraid to reveal the actual facts. He further asked to deploy Indian Army personnel at the LAC with China without firearms. Ever since the violent confrontation between the Indian Army and the Chinese troops took place in the eastern Ladakh's Galwan Valley last week and resulted in death of 20 Indian soldiers, Rahul Gandhi has been taking a dig at the centre and questioning the Modi government whether Indian land has been occupied by the Chinese or not. Gandhi tweeted out a picture of Pangong So Lake in Ladakh where the standoff with China began last month. The image was originally captured by former Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi. After the all-party meeting, Gandhi fixed a fresh salvo at the Prime Minister and accused him of surrendering Indian territory to China. Friday, while paying tribute to the brave Jawans and asking every Indian to stay united at this crucial hour, Rahul Gandhi questioned the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who said not a single inch of Indian land has been taken by anyone. But according to news, satellite images, retired army generals and many more, it came out that China took our land, not in a single place but at 3 places. Rahul Gandhi asked the Prime Minister to make clear statements and come forward without any fear and tell the truth to the people of the country.
दिन पहले हिंदुस्तान के 20 सैनिक शहीद हुए, उनको उनके परिवारों से छीना। चाइना ने हिंदुस्तान की जमीन छीनी है, हमारी जमीन हड़पी। प्रधानमंत्री जी, आप चुप क्यों हैं? आप कहाँ छुप गए हैं? आप बाहर आइए, पूरा देश, हम सब आपके साथ खड़े हैं, एक साथ खड़ा हुआ है आपके साथ देश। बाहर आइए, देश को सच्चाई बताइए, डरिए।
From past 29th May onwards, Rahul Gandhi had been continuously questioning the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He had been constantly sounding alarm bells on China. On 29th May, Rahul urged the government of India to come clean and tell India what has been exactly happening. 3rd June, he again asked to confirm if any Chinese soldiers have entered India. 5th June, Rahul Gandhi asked the Indians to read General Pang's article. 8th June, Gandhi questioned the media for being silent.
हिंदुस्तान के वीर शहीदों को मेरा नमन। पूरा देश मिलकर एक साथ, एक होकर सेना के साथ और सरकार के साथ खड़ा है। मगर एक बहुत ज़रूरी सवाल उठा है। कुछ दिन पहले हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि हिंदुस्तान की 1 इंच ज़मीन किसी ने नहीं ली, कोई हिंदुस्तान के अंदर नहीं आया। मगर सुनने को मिल रहा है, लोग कह रहे हैं, सैटेलाइट फोटोग्राफ्स में दिखाई दे रहा है, लद्दाख की जनता कह रही है, आर्मी के रिटायर्ड जनरल्स कह रहे हैं कि चाइना ने हमारी ज़मीन छीनी है। एक जगह नहीं बल्कि 3 जगह चाइना ने हमारी ज़मीन छीनी है। प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपको सच बोलना ही पड़ेगा, देश को बताना पड़ेगा, घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। अगर आप कहेंगे कि ज़मीन नहीं गई और सचमुच में ज़मीन गई है तो चाइना का फ़ायदा होगा। हमें मिलकर इनसे लड़ना है और इनको उठा के वापस फेंकना है, निकालना है। तो आपको सच बोलना पड़ेगा, बिना घबराए, बिना डरे आप बोलिए कि हाँ, चाइना ने ज़मीन ली है और हम कार्रवाई करने जा रहे हैं, पूरा देश आपके साथ खड़ा है। और आखिरी सवाल, हमारे जो वीर शहीद हैं,
9th June, he repeated whether Chinese intervened in Indian territory or not. 10th June, he questioned the Prime Minister of India for being silent. 15th June, the Chinese aggressors left 20 Indian soldiers dead amidst a violent clash. Our Jawans had to pay the deadly price of denial. From the very next day, Gandhi had been asking the ruling government to come up clear on the Ladakh issue. Rahul Gandhi urged the Prime Minister to reveal the actual truth fearlessly and promised to stand united in this crucial time. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. While taking part in social media campaign, Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to ensure that Indian land has not been occupied by the Chinese. He asked the Indians to stay united while paying homage to the martyred soldiers. Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala took part in social media campaign Shaheedon Ko Salam Divas under the initiative of All India National Congress on Friday. Congress leader Surjewala paid tribute to Jawans and armed forces of India while raising the question, what is the Modi government doing? He also asked, have the Chinese occupied PP-14 where our Jawans were killed? He further asked, how and when will the Modi government take back Indian land? Speaking up for the Jawans, Surjewala paid homage to Colonel B. Santosh Babu and other 20 Jawans of India and said to stand up for them in every respect so that their sacrifice doesn't go in vain. He asked the Modi government to ensure that Indian land has not been occupied by the Chinese, while adding that it is the solemn responsibility of the government to reveal the true facts.
Colonels B. Santosh Babu and our 20 Jawans made the supreme sacrifice in Galwan Ghati, Ladakh, while defending the motherland. Their sacrifice shall not go in vain. We all resolve to stand with every soldier and each member of our armed forces today.
Surjewala asked the nation to stand united and raise voices for the soldiers and armed forces. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Tripura police observed World Drug Day in Agartala city on Friday while maintaining proper guidelines of COVID-19 pandemic. DSP Tarun Debbarma, Anti-Narcotics, urged the youth and natives of Tripura to avoid drugs or other alcoholic products. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, also known as World Drug Day, is celebrated annually on June 26. The theme of World Drug Day 2020 is Better Knowledge for Better Care. Unless people understand the magnitude of the problem and how it hits health, physical and mental, the world cannot counter drug abuse. Tripura police along with world observed Anti-Drug Day in Agartala on Friday. While addressing the media, Tarun Debbarma, DSP Anti-Narcotics, said, like every year, Tripura police has celebrated International Drug Day 2020 amidst COVID-19 outbreak while maintaining proper guidelines of the pandemic. Due to coronavirus outbreak, this year's movement has been made completely different.
আজকে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ডে এগেইনস্ট ড্রাগ অ্যাবিউজ অ্যান্ড ইলিসিট ট্রাফিকিং অন্যান্য বছরের নাই আজকেও আমরা এই দিনটাতে পালন করছি তবে কোভিড-19 করোনা ভাইরাস নিয়ে সারা বিশ্বে আতঙ্ক তার জন্য সিস্টেমটা আমরা কমপ্লিটলি আমরা এই মুভমেন্টটা সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং মেনটেন রেখে কোনো অবস্টাকল যাতে কারোর কোনো পাবলিকে না আসে তার জন্য আমরা এই প্রোগ্রামটা করছি
He urged the youths and natives of Tripura to give emphasis on education and well upbringing and avoid drugs or other alcoholic products. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Big breakthrough on Anti-Drug Day for Tripura police. More than 5 persons arrested red-handed with huge amounts of cash liquors from illegal gambling party at Bortola. A number of restaurants in Bortola like Debraj, Royal Raj, Taj, Dolphin and many others have turned out as bars without license. Surprisingly, all these restaurants are doing illegal business on Bortola Road, resides near former SP Bijoy Nag's residence at Doshamighat Road. Friday, OC Jointo Kormakar raided the shops in Bortola. More than 1,000 bottles of liquors have been recovered from the raid. Around 40,000 cash and other contraband items have also been found. Police succeeded in the raid as the Bortola businessman did not have any clue of the raid from earlier. If this info would be available from before, cashier Shudeep would have passed on the information to illegal businessmen of Bortola. Also, the Bortola PS would be gainful for this. And West PS would have turned empty-handed from the raid. Police drivers are involved in this type of corruption from long back. Illegal restaurant owners have friendly relation with few constables of Bortola police station. That is the sole reason why this illegal business are continued in the prime area of the city. While addressing the media, police personnel OC Jointo Kormakar detailed the information of the raid. However, the question remains whether Tripura police would continue such noble gestures in future or not. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Well, that's all from our English bulletin at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Hallabol.